Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Doro44, and in today's video, I needed to talk to you guys about something regarding this YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I make streamer help content and videos related to helping streamers grow on Twitch. And I've been posting videos for over a year now, consistently, every week. And I think I've only missed 1 week out of that whole year. To cut to the chase, I'm just gonna be transparent with you guys. I'm feeling burnt out, and I'm at a point now where I am struggling to make a video every week because I feel like I have given everything that I can, everything that I know to help you guys grow. I was talking about this on my Twitch stream a couple days ago, and so the next portion of this video is taken from my stream, going into more detail about this, how I've been feeling, and the direction that I want to take this YouTube channel. Now, don't worry, I'm not quitting YouTube, I'm not quitting Twitch, I'm not quitting, but I'm going to be taking a small break, probably for the rest of this month. And when I come back from that break, we're going to be uploading new content to this channel that's not related to stream help. So just watch this next portion of the video and make sure to stick to the end so that you can hear my final thoughts. So regarding this, back to this. I put a lot of work into this channel, guys. I'm at 2.24 thousand subscribers. I'm proud of that. I'm proud of all the work. I believe that I have come... I believe I've made videos that I feel like are quality and have really good information in them. Why I'm saying all this is because I'm at a point now where, and it's kind of hard for me to talk about because my YouTube channel is very important to me, but I'm very transparent with you guys. I'm very open with you guys. I'm at a point now where I'm burnt out on my YouTube channel. I'm at a point now where I feel like I've given all the advice that I can, you know, literally all the advice that I can to help people. I'm at a point now where I procrastinate my YouTube videos so much because I have such a hard time now coming up with an idea, you know. I have everything here, everything that I can even think about. And the golden rule that I need to start taking my own advice, trying something for 3 to 4 months, seeing if it progresses. If it doesn't progress, try something new, right? I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 24, 32, 36, 40, definitely over like 50 videos. And I have not seen the growth on this channel that I've wanted to see after a year of posting. It's always been random in a sense. And I've seen other people in this niche that started after me, way after me, and they get thousands of views, you know, thousands of views, and my videos don't. And it sucks because, you know, guys, editing these videos, I have to film, first and foremost, I have to script the videos, I have to film them, I have to find the ideas, I have to edit them. And when you post that video and you don't get the views that you want for it or something, like the algorithm just doesn't pick it up, it gets to a point where it starts to like really like become hard on you. And I say this because I don't want this stress to take away from my Twitch channel. You know, and it has been stressing me out, and it's been like bleeding into my Twitch streams. I see a lot of carrots. I will catch up on chat in a second. I just want to like get all my thoughts out real quick because I know my ADHD. So I think I'm at a point now where I don't want to do Twitch guides anymore and streamer help videos because, again, like I said, these last 6 videos, guys, have been videos that are the same thing, just reworded differently. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to be making videos that are just reworded differently into the same shit the entire time, you know? So yeah, that's the point I'm at. And so my plan is to take a break for a video is going to come out this week. I'm going to take a break from YouTube, by the way, for the rest of the month. And my plan is to do new content. And the new content, the only other content that I can think about right now that I would love to do is video game reviews, video game like news updates, because I've always wanted to go into video game journalism. I always have been, but I hate writing, but I like making videos. So I've thought about making video game reviews, like my own style, nothing like too formal, like this is an 8.5 out of 10. It'd be more like a laid back, like a normal guy's like viewpoint on a video game, and be like, is it, the rating system would be, is it worth your time? Is this game worth your time? The videos would be like 5-8 minutes maybe. That's the other content I would want to do. And then like trailer reactions and stuff like that to video game stuff, and video game trailers, and then like first impression videos, and then like news recaps, like here's what you've missed in the video game news industry like in the last week. That is my other idea, and I think that's what I want to start doing on this channel. If I'm being honest with you, I don't enjoy making videos anymore, and it's the thing is, I love editing, I love filming, and I love making videos, but the content that I've been making on my YouTube channel, I have not been enjoying for the last month, maybe 2 months. It's been very hard for me regarding my YouTube channel. So that's the direction I want to go in. And that's it, guys. That is how I've been feeling these last few months. Just been feeling burnt out. And I feel like I have given everything that I know in this niche, what I've done to help myself grow. And I just don't want to do a disservice to you guys by recycling old content or rewording things. And it's just the same thing over and over again. And with this new direction, I'm very excited. I've always wanted to get into video game journalism, but I've always hated writing, but I love making videos. And so I think this is a good next step for me, not just for content for you guys and for future people that subscribe to this channel, but for myself, for my happiness. I want to start making videos again that I'm happy to make and that I don't dread filming and editing for you guys. Now, I know all of you have subscribed to this channel for streamer help content, and I would completely understand if you were not on board with the new content that I want to make. I get it. But if you are interested or you're excited for it, leave a comment down below and let me know if you like the idea or if you don't. Be honest with me. And if you like the idea of video game news, reviews, and gaming videos, in the comments down below, let me know. What should be the first video when I come back? And like I always say, guys, stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you at the next video.